Hello Sagittarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April of 2025 reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. No? So nagla-live po tayo doon. Kung gusto niyo sumali, you're very much welcome to do so. Ayan. Marami tayong pag-uusapan. Nandiyan po ang finances or wealth. No? Career or job. Nandiyan po ang relationships, different stages. Nandiyan ang mga singles, crushes. No labels or situationship in a relationship. No? Nandiyan po ang couples or married couples, no? Third party situation. Ayan. So, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. Bakit ang dami nating pinag-iisipan? Pabago-bago tayo ng pag-iisip ngayon, no? Wala tayong consistent or concrete decision. Naaapektuhan tayo ng ating emotion. Sagittarius, no? I think that this is a trait of a Sagittarius wherein kasi napaka-adventurous kapag naboboard na tayo, no? Madali tayong yun yung boredom, napakadali yun sa atin eh. So I feel like kailangan mo ngayong magstay for a little while, no? Ito yung chance para medyo magpigil ng ating boredom. Kasi ang nakikita natin dito, ngayon nag-iisip na naman tayo, ano ang pwede nating gawin? Dahil boredom kicks in with the judgment in here, no? Siguro, napapagod ng kakaantay. Pero, ang pinaka-core na ito, pwede nyo na agad tapusin, no? Pero kung gusto nyo pa makinig, I feel like ang pinaka-core ng reading na ito is stretch your patience because something is about to unfold. And that is wish granted. That's true. When it comes to finances, siguro nag-aantay tayo ng malaking pera sa ating bank account. Ang tagal na. The Hermit card. Taon. But I feel like, kasi dahil nga sa pabago-bago nating mga decision makings, I feel na doon tayo nagkakaroon ng issue eh. No? Parang paudlot-udlot din ang dating ng finances. When it comes to wealth, kung ano man itong inaantay nyo na matagal na, whether this is pamana, whether this is a huge incentives, I feel like this is malaking pera. And hindi ako magtataka kung 10 of Pentacles or Wheel of Fortune is going to show up mamaya, no? Kasi nakikita ko parang ito yung gusto mong ma-achieve na ibibigay naman. Career or job. So eto na, nandito na naman tayo, no? Sa isang sitwasyon na gusto ko ba 'tong ginagawa ko na naman, no? I feel like may magandang balita, so magstay put ka lang kung nasaan ka, no? May magandang ibibigay, reward could be. Feeling ko napakadali lang nitong reading na ito or maikli lang ito dahil isa lang ang sinasabi, no? Stay put. Kung promotions man yan o inaantay mong pagpunta ng abroad, just wait and see. When it comes to relationships sa singles, no? Singles. Ang nakikita natin dito with the Judgment, the Three of Wands. So, say goodbye na sa pagiging single. Nakakita ko kasi dito na either this is a Virgo, no? Na magiging karelasyon mo. And I feel like that will be your forever. That's for sure. Ito na yung contract eh. No? With the crushes, say goodbye na rin. I am seeing here a crush ka ng crush mo. Period. Yun. Napaka-straightforward, no? Parang Sagittarius, napaka-straightforward ng mga sagot nitong reading na ito. Sa no labels or situationship, I think that tatanungin mo to, I feel like ang isasagot tayo, tayo na, hindi mo alam. Ikaw lang palang hindi mo alam na kayo na pala. Mm. Um, in a relationship or married couple, ang ganda kasi I feel like ang nangyayari kasi dito, chances are, nasa inyo na yung lahat. Parang kayo lang yung nagpapa-complicate ng mga bagay-bagay. Tama ba, Sagittarius? Let me know sa comment section. Married couple. Yes, may mga challenges, pero parang patapos na. This is the end of it. End of your hardships, not end of the not end of the relationship. It might be the end of the third party situation na you're gonna be a couple, whether it is my blessings ng simbahan or wala, it doesn't matter. Serious commitment is what I am seeing. No? Um, Seven of Wands, the Ten of Cups, the Justice, the High Priest, and the Ten of Wands. Ngayon, nasa depende yan sa pagdadala. No? Kasi ang ganda-ganda eh. Ang complications dito na mangyayari is coming from you. Not because that you're gonna have a third party, but I feel like minsan kasi medyo sinangsaltik-saltik tayo eh, no? Sagittarius, no? Not in a bad, well, sometimes in a bad way. Pero kasi, that's our trait. But then again, ang nakikita ko naman dito with the Ten of Wands and the Knight of Pentacles, I think na siguro ito yung magiging way for you to settle in one specific dynamic. Finances, maganda ang flow. Ang nakikita ko, no, all you just have to do is to strategically plan, no, time management. I feel like magaling ka naman doon. I also feel like na-stretch mo nga eh, no? Ang haba ng pasensya mo, kahit yung tulog, no, medyo nagagawan mo ng paraan. Wala tayong problema dun sa pagkakaroon ng strategy. So I feel like yung boredom, dun tayo magkakaroon ng issue. Alright? So, wag mabore, stay lang. Career or jobs, ito ang maganda. Financial wise, I think mabibili mo dito yung mga ninanais mo eh, no? Na mga material things. Even lumipat ng bahay, magkaroon ng sariling pamilya, no? Or lumipat ng environment or mag-migrate. This is what I am seeing. Relationship, singles, say goodbye na nga. Pinapag-goodbye ka na sa pagiging single mo. Sabi sa'yo, napaka-ikli, no, nito. Pero tignan pa natin yung ibang cards sa crushes, say goodbye na rin sa pagiging single. Your crush likes you, so madaming kikiligin, no? I am seeing the status, madaming hearts, no? Madaming congratulations. And parang sinasabi, at last. Ayan. No labels or in a situationship. So, i-clarify mo. Dahil baka mamaya, ikaw na nga lang pala ang hindi nakakaalam, may jowa ka na pala. Diba? Kayo na pala. Let me know sa comment section, no? Once na naitanong mo dun sa mga no labels, baka hindi mo alam kayo na pala, no? In a relationship, there might be some hardships, pero wag tayong gagawa ng isang hakbang just because, and even sa married and third party situation, wag tayong gagawa ng isang hakbang just because of nabore tayo or nadala tayo ng ating emotion, no? Maraming maganda ang dadating, no? Saluhin mo lahat yan. Saluhin mo lahat ang opportunities. So, pasensya lang ang kailangan. Konting pasensya, no? Gusto ko lang po ipaalam sa inyo na dun po sa ating kabilang channel na Babaylan TV, dun po tayo nagla-live, no? So, pwede po kayo magtanong doon. Pero kung hindi nyo po naaabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section. as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugan ng yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo din sa website. There is a link sa description box ng video na ito. Click the link, dadaling kayo dun sa aking website, nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, and yung amount per question for your reference. Ayan. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi nga po ito ay discounted na. And if you want to book a private reading, doon din po siya. No? Let's check some more cards. Or pwede kayong sumali ha doon sa ating raffle. April 1st, doon ko po i-announce ang winner. So, chances are, napapanood nyo ito before April 1st. So, ang end ng entry is March 31st. Pwede pang humabol. Do you love me the way I love you? I think what's meant for you is meant for you. Nandyan na siya, kaya antay-antay lang. Lalo na dun sa relationship. Tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, di ba? Baka ikaw na lang pala hindi nakakaalam. Tingnan natin dito ang iyong message from the universe. Perhaps you are reminded all too often just how quickly the phase in your life can shift. This might be your own doings, your own decision makings, one change after the other. Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina, papalit-palit, patalon-talon. No? You are learning to adapt and grow. Kaya nga, stay put. Kanina ko pa sinasabi, una pa lang, stay put. Be kind and gentle with yourself. And I feel like whatever the learnings na pwede mong natutunan mo na, kaya saluhin mo ito mga pagpapala and rewards, no? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. These can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Pisces, Leo, Taurus, Sagittarius, Libra, Scorpio, Virgo, Capricorn. Did I just said Leo? Yes. This is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.